Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to exactly show you how you can fix website not allowed in iPhone. So if you're trying to open any website on your web browser or Safari and it's not opening or not allowed on your iPhone OS, I'm going to exactly show you how you can fix it. First up, just simply go to your settings, and once you're inside settings, you just need to scroll down until you find the option of screen time, which is right over here, or if you can't find it, just simply search it up by typing in screen time and you'll see it. Now right over here, you just gotta scroll down until you find the option of content and privacy restrictions. Just simply press on that. Right over here, you gotta turn that option on for some settings, and right over here you'll need the option of App Store, Media, and Web and Games. Just simply press on that. Right over here you'll see the option of web content, and for me, just copy the same settings, just simply put it on unrestricted. And once it's on unrestricted, just go back and turn this option off, and right over here after that, once you just need to do that, and after that you can go to any website and it would be allowed. So yeah, this is it. I hope this will actually help you out. I'll see you soon next one.